Hey guys, back from the Windy City here. And if you're having problems with Deepseek, maybe you type in two prompts and then you get the server is that is the result of an alleged cyber attack. There is nothing you can do about it. There is nothing you can do to fix it. You could maybe wait a few minutes and write another prompt, and then wait a few minutes again and write another prompt. But the goal here is obviously to make DeepSeek unusable. So don't waste your time trying to do fixes, going on to other YouTube channels, or it's a complete waste of time. All you can do is wait it out, unfortunately. So sorry for being the bearer of bad news once again, but if you did find this helpful, do subscribe. Make sure to check the date of this video, because yes, this could be fixed and you could be coming back to this video and hearing all the information. But I will see you in the next video.